raspberry bonbon or raspberry praline with very delicious taste, little secret, and you will have a nice amazing aroma. Let's do it. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes. I'm pastry champion of Africa. This is my job. Everything you find in the channel, all the art of bread, sugar dough, wedding cake, bonbon, cake art, gluten free, name it. First, we spray the mold. 100 gram cacao butter, 45 centigrade, 10 gram of red color. We strain it and then we tempering 30 degree. After that, we cover with white spray, 100 gram cacao butter, 10 gram titanium oxide. We tempering the spray, and as you see, with 8 millimeter spray gun, we have the cover the second layer. So first layer is red, second layer with white cacao butter. If you use white chocolate, you don't need to cover with white. But if you use dark chocolate, you must have the other layer of white cacao butter. And you see, between the layer, I have to give at least half an hour in room temperature, which means 18 to 22 centigrade. I have cold weather in Norway, so I don't need to stay longer. As you see, all this kind of chocolate, this ruby chocolate, gift from Chocolate World, and they have discount to anyone come from my side. I leave overnight the spray. Then the second day I make tempering dark chocolate and I fill the mold as you see. Then I shake it. I take all the bubbles out. And in many videos we have step by step how to color the cacao butter, how to tempering everything in many videos you can find in my channel. There is chocolate bonbon list. Please watch it all if this first time. I remove the bubbles. It's very important when you shake it at least 30 to 50 seconds. Then I leave it the whole process to have light shell 50 to 65 seconds in room temperature. After 60 seconds, I upside down the mold and with gentle heat on the side, I remove the all excessive chocolate. Now I have nice shell, 1.5 or 2 millimeter. It's depending about the way you want it. I clean my mold. I leave it upside down until strain the extra. Here we have the ganache, 200 gram raspberry puree, 30 gram tourmaline or invert sugar. By the way, in the channel, the recipe how to make invert sugar with easy, simple way if you cannot find outside. I will leave the link below in the description box. I have 30 gram butter and 400 gram white chocolate. I boil raspberry with tourmaline and then I add it to the chocolate when it's boiling at least 5 minutes in medium heat so I can concentrate the flavor of the raspberry. In meanwhile, I blended with hand blender to emulsify all component and becomes so smooth. I wait till becomes 30 degree or 31 degree. Then I added 30 gram of butter, which give more smoothness and bring up the flavor of the raspberry. Here we go. 30 degree. I added the butter. I continue emulsify. You can see the ganache becomes amazing emulsify. But I would like to add a little red color, so I have not artificial, but I bring back to the color of raspberry. This is how it is. This is a beautiful ganache. I leave it overnight in room temperature, and tomorrow I feel my raspberry chocolate bonbon. I keep it in the container. You can see the difference. Smooth, nice, shiny. Tomorrow we feel it. This second day I fill my mold with raspberry. You can add 2-3 flavor, is up to you what you want to do. Here we go. I fill the whole mold. I leave 1.5 or 2 millimeter empty to cover with the dark chocolate. It's very important to cover all, and I keep it in the fridge maybe 10-20 minutes, then I added the cover for me. There is many ways to cover the chocolate. Every video I make, I try to make it simple, easy for beginner until to be a professional. We shake it, we take the extra with a wide spatula. Then I keep it room temperature at least 15 minutes before I put in my fridge. Normally I use chocolate fridge, 17 degree, 65% humidity, or you can use normal fridge, but don't let it more than 10 to 15 to 20 maximum, because every fridge is different than other. With practice you will know. Second, when is crystallization, I take my mold out, and as you see, beautiful.